Hello friends, glad to have you back. And for the ones who are the new to this channel, I am Obijit and this is my graphic shop. Today I am going to teach you this.
Good evening guys. Today I am going to show how to draw one of our most famous Indian folk art, that is Gond tribal art. Let's start. The Gonds are the largest Adivasi community in India and are Dravidians whose origin can be traced to the pre-Aryan era. They are mainly found in Madhya Pradesh and its surrounding states. The word Gond comes from Kond, which means green mountain in the Dravidian idiom. The Gond called themselves Koi or Koichuri. Their language is related to Telugu and the other Dravidian language. About half of Gond speaks Gondi language, while the rest speak Indo-Aryan language including Hindi. The Gond traditionally painted on the mud walls of their houses. Starting in the early 1980s, certain talented Pradhan Gonds who traditionally serve as a professional Badik priest began transforming their ritual performing arts into a new tradition of figurative and narrative visual art using a variety of modern media including acrylic painting on canvas, ink drawing on paper, silk screen print, and animated film. They have created unprecedented depiction of their natural and mythological worlds, traditional songs, and oral histories. Rich in detail, color, mystery, and humor, these tribal artworks brilliantly employ modern means to evoke the pre-modern psyche. Jangar Singh Sam was the first Gond artist to use paper and canvas for his art. His talent was soon recognized and his work was exhibited all over the country. Gond painting bear a remarkable likeness Aboriginal art from Australia, as both style use dot and create the painting. Here I show the Gond painting of peacock. Here I draw 4 peacock in the style of Gond art tradition. I hope I can make it. If I am wrong, then please forgive me. If you guys like my video, then please give a thumb, like my video, share my video with your friends, with your relatives, with your closer ones, and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, then my channel will become bigger and family will increase. I love you all. Hope you all are well. Please stay at home, stay indoor, stay safe. Goodbye friends. Thank you. See you soon.